secretaries, allow me to acknowledge the President of CRBC, the great people, the people of the great city of Mombasa. Amjambo. Amjambo. Asanteni. Your Excellency, today is an historic day. We come to Mombasa, Kilometer Zero, to commission the Mombasa Commuter Rail Service. And as an historic event, I will have some official statement to make. Today is 130 years since the rail, or the traditional Uganda rail, was built from Kilometer Zero. Before I make those comments, Your Excellency, or make the official statement, allow me, being here with my brothers, Waziri Joho and Waziri Mvurya, let me ask on behalf of the ministers present, Joho to make kusalamia watu. Asante. Joho.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Daktari William Samoei Ruto, Gavana kwamba watu wa kupanda SGR watakuwa wana connect easily from the town here and to connect to go onwards to Nairobi and beyond. Lakini lile la muhimu, watu wanafaa leo wavae dancing shoes ni Mheshimiwa Badi na Mheshimiwa Omar Mwinyi na watu wa Mombasa West, kwa sababu baada ya leo hawawezi tena kusota na mambo ya uchukuzi kutoka Mombasa West kuja Island kufanya kazi. Ni jambo kubwa sana. Kwanza ni shilingi 50. You know, the government of Dr. William Ruto has many fasts in the coastal region. Your Excellency, mambo mengi zamani tulikuwa tunaona wengine tu wanafanyiwa. Sasa hivi tunayaona yakifanywa maeneo haya ya jimbo la Pwani. Si ni kweli? Sasa pendapo wema ulipo nini? Pendapo wema ulipo nini? So nataka niwaulize watu wa Mombasa, mnayaona kama mimi ninavyoyaona? Daktari William Ruto anavyotufanyia mnayaona? Na pendapo wema, basi nisalimieni kwa alama yangu tafadhali. Salimieni kwa alama yangu. Nisalimieni namna hii. Nikisema William nasema tutam. Ruto, William Samoei Ruto, Mungu awabariki.
Your Excellency, allow me to make the official statement on this historic day when we return to Mombasa 130 years after the commissioning of Kilometer Zero on the historic story of the Kenya Railway, which starts here. We'll see the Kilometer Zero later on this morning, Your Excellency. Today we return to this city to write a new chapter in history with the commissioning of the Mombasa Commuter Rail. This is a project, Your Excellency, that demonstrates how transport policy, when it comes to the vision, can transform cities, empowering communities, and strengthening Kenya's position as a regional hub. This is more than local intervention. It is part of a broader strategy to make Kenya a model of integration, modern and sustainable transport. Your Excellency, Kenya transport policy is anchored on integration, we are deliberate, investing in roads, rail and sea infrastructure, not as isolated projects, but as complementary pillars of single national transport system. On roads, Your Excellency, we continue to expand expressway, bypasses, and rural access roads that connect farmers to markets and reduce transport costs. On rail, we are expanding commuter rail service in Nairobi and now Mombasa, while upgrading linkages with the standard gauge railway to better connect and serve the region. Your Excellency, on air, we are modernizing airports and airstrips to position Kenya as a continental aviation hub, and on the sea, we are upgrading the port of Mombasa and Lamu to anchor Kenya as a maritime gateway to East and Central Africa. Together, this investment form the backbone of our national economic transformation agenda. Your Excellency, the Mombasa Commuter Rail service is a last-mile connector between Mombasa standard gauge railway terminus at Mariakani, where we'll be later this month,